Experience luxury living in this beautifully upgraded 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom residence in the heart of Fort Lauderdale along the New River. This modern home features an open floor plan with elegant wood floors, a sleek kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and the convenience of an in-unit washer/dryer. Enjoy stunning sunset views from your private balcony. Designed for move-in ready comfort and convenience, this residence offers a seamless lifestyle with spacious closets and a functional layout perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. Located in a premier resort-style community, residents enjoy top-tier amenities, a heated pool with cabanas, hot tub, barbecue area, fitness center, yoga room, billiard room, and a business center. Includes 24-hour security, concierge, and 1 covered parking space. Unbeatable location moments from Las Olas shopping, dining, nightlife, Fort Lauderdale Beach, local parks, and major highways.